On this episode, we are talking about the Clevis pin holding tool available from Minisport. So what is this tool and why do we need it? Well, like I said, it's a Clevis pin holding tool. And why do we need it? Thanks very much for asking. Anyone who has ever attempted to put a Clevis pin in a clutch or brake pedal where it attaches to the master cylinder underneath the dash knows how fiddly this job can be. You need to be a contortionist with 17 hands to be able to get the Clevis pin in, line it up with the bottom of the push rod, and then slide the R-clip in. This eliminates all of that hassle. Essentially, it has a bendable tab at the back here. You put your Clevis pin in down through here, and then it just sits directly in there. You're then able to easily line it up, move the pedal into position, slide it through. Once it's in, you can then just pull it straight out and it will release it. This just takes out the hours of hassle in which you would do not using this tool. So for the cost of $39.95 listed below plus shipping, it is one hell of a lifesaver. This also comes in handy for doing other things like when you go to fit the Clevis pin in the clutch arm itself down on the back of the gearbox. So check these out. Make sure you hit up the team at minisport.com.au. Next time you're there, make sure you grab yourself one of these because I guarantee it will get you out of mischief.